Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. Dive into the world of elegance with our latest collection of purple shari design ideas. This video features a variety of shari in shades of purple, deep royal tones to soft lavender hues, perfect for wedding parties and festive celebrations. Those shari came adorned with intricate embroidery, Zari work and stylish prints. Whether you love traditional silk, shari or trendy georgette and chiffon style, there's something here for everyone. Watch now to find inspiration for your next shari look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion updates.